Hi, I'm Brad Schubert. I'm part of the training team here at cnWave Networks. Today in this video, we're going to go and unbox a V2000 client node.
When we open the box, we find two mounting ring clamps, a gland, and a standard 2.5 gigabit Ethernet PoE power supply with AC line cord included in the box. Once we remove a little bit more of the packaging, we get to the V2000 itself. The V2000 client node has an integrated radome in a smaller form factor than the V3000. The back of the radio has a pre-attached bracket for easy mounting to a pole. The V2000 has two 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports on the bottom. The first RJ45 connection is for PoE in plus data, and the second RJ45 connection delivers PoE out plus data. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet PoE output port simplifies the deployment of video cameras or outdoor Wi-Fi access points. The included weatherproofing gland screws into the bottom of the radio to weatherproof the connection of this IP67 device. Mounting the radio is easy. Simply feed the ring clamps through the back of the bracket and secure the pole or mast. It can then be aimed in the direction of the connecting radio. This V2000 can also be adjusted up or down by loosening the screws on the side of the radio to the desired angle and then tightening.